Hi everyone, I'm Jane Trotter and welcome to Accelerando Piano Excerpts. These short videos are taken from my longer tutorials. They focus on one particular topic and are perfect if you're just after the straightforward facts and how-to. Here's a definition for rhythm. Put simply, the rhythm is the organisation of notes and rests of different lengths. In other words, the different, or sometimes repeating, combinations of long or short sounding notes and silences in the music. Let's do a deep dive into this little piece I've made up to show you what I mean. Here's my rhythm in 3/4. I've written it all on one note on the stave, so there's no melody involved. We're just focusing on the length of the notes. Above the stave in light blue, I've added in the beats. Because the time signature is 3/4, we have 3 crotchet beats per bar, and you would count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's play the rhythm through by itself and I'll count along. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can hear and see that the notes are different lengths. Some are longer and some are shorter. And there were some rests where I didn't make any sound at all. Now I'm going to put the metronome on and it will play the beat. I've set it so there's a little bell ringing on the first beat of each bar. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can hear that there is absolutely no variation in the beat. It's regular, rock solid, and all the beats are exactly the same length. We don't have some beats which last longer or shorter than the others. Let me demonstrate how not to count the beat. I'm going to have a regular pulse at the start, and then my beats are going to become very uneven and irregular. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I need time to recover. That is a sure way to raise a music teacher's blood pressure. Okay, let's now play the rhythm and the beat at the same time. Listen out for the steady, unwavering pulse of the metronome. That's our beat. And I'll play my rhythm. You can hear, compared to the beat, that some of my notes last longer than one beat and some are shorter. And sometimes I don't play anything at all. I have a rest. Let's check that out in a bit more detail. I'm going to focus on the second half of the piece. Take a look at the first bar and the pink ovals. On the first beat, I have 4 very short notes called semiquavers, and all of these fit into the first beat. More short notes fit into the third beat, but here there are only 2 quavers. So the beat is dividing into 2 rather than 4, as in the first beat. Let's listen to that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These examples are instances where there are multiple notes in the rhythm fitting into a single beat. Now let's look at the last bar and my yellow oval. This is the reverse. Here, there are multiple beats fitting into a single note. The dotted minim lasts for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. My green oval is an example of the rests. A rest is a silence in music, so nothing is sounding on the particular beat or beats. In this bar, you can see that there are rests on the first 2 beats. So you'd keep counting your beats as usual, but you don't play anything. 1, 2, 3. And lastly, let's take a look at the first 2 bars. You've probably heard and seen these bars enough times now to guess where I'm going with this, but just for fun, do you notice anything about these 2 bars? Yes, that's right. They have exactly the same rhythm, with the second bar repeating what was presented in the first. Repetition like this is quite a common compositional technique, as it helps to establish a sense of unity and structure within a piece. In fact, if you investigate some of your own pieces, you'll almost certainly find examples similar to this. I've created a resource for this tutorial, which you can see up on the screen. You can download this from my Accelerando Piano website and use it as a reference whenever you like.